Stop wasting ripe plantain and let's make these delicious plantain fritters from Ghana, which are absolutely delicious, simple and easy to make. So first of all, start by dicing your onion and your Scotch bonnet. You can leave the Scotch bonnet, but Scotch bonnet adds a bit of spiciness. This is the ripe plantain I'm using. As you can see, it's very ripe. It's been in the house for about a week, so it's become very ripe. So I'm gonna make sure I use it today, and this is why I'm sharing with you guys this yummy recipe. I've cut the plantain into a few pieces so it's easier to blend, and then I put in all my ingredients in the blender except the diced onion. Add the batter into a bowl, and then you're gonna add in your flour. As always, all the ingredients will be in the link in the description. Then you're gonna add in your baking powder, Maggi cube. If you don't have Maggi cube, you can use like chicken stock, and a little bit of salt. Give everything a good mix till smooth. Once everything is smooth, add in your diced onions. The onions that we didn't add when we blended the plantain and everything else, you're gonna add them in and give it a good mix. This is gonna give a bit of different texture. Then you're gonna start preparing your hot oil on medium heat, and then once your oil has heated properly, you're gonna add in a few spoonfuls of the batter into the oil, making sure you don't overcrowd the pan, and fry them till golden brown. Place your fritters on a paper lined plate to absorb all the oil. And there you have it. No plantains have gone to waste and it tastes delicious. Pair these delicious fritters with your favorite meal, sauce, beans, or eat them as a snack. They're absolutely delicious. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.